Imagine you're standing at the crossroads of financial decisions, surrounded by a sea of banks, each promising the moon and the stars. Which one do you choose? A big, established bank with a long history or a newer, more tech-savvy option? Today, we're diving deep into Tide, a relatively new bank that's been making waves in the financial world. But is Tide a trustworthy bank? Let's find out. Section 1. What is Tide? Tide is a digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including business current accounts, prepaid debit cards, and money transfer services. It's known for its user-friendly interface, low fees, and innovative features. But before we dive into the good stuff, let's address the elephant in the room. Is it safe? Section 2. Is Tide safe? Safety is paramount when it comes to banking. So, let's break down Tide's security measures. FCA authorization. Tide is authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, the UK's financial regulator. This means it's subject to strict regulations and oversight, **. Data protection. Tide uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information. They also have robust data security policies in place, **. Customer protection. If you experience any issues with Tide, you have access to their customer support team and can also escalate complaints to the Financial Ombudsman Service, **. Section 3. Tide's features and benefits. Now that we've established Tide's safety, let's explore what it has to offer. Business current accounts. Tide offers a variety of business current account options tailored to different business needs. These accounts often come with features like fee-free transactions, multi-user access, and integration with accounting software, **. Prepaid debit cards. Tide's prepaid debit cards can be used for both personal and business expenses. They offer convenience and control, as you only spend the money you've loaded onto the card, **. Money transfer services. Tide makes it easy to send and receive money, both domestically and internationally. They often offer competitive exchange rates and low transaction fees, **. Section 4. Tide's fees and charges. While Tide is known for its low fees, it's important to understand the charges associated with its services. Here's a breakdown of some common fees. Monthly account fees. Some Tide accounts may have a monthly fee, but this can often be waived under certain conditions, **. Transaction fees. Tide generally offers fee-free transactions, but there may be charges for certain types of transactions, such as international transfers or ATM withdrawals, **. Currency conversion fees. If you use your Tide card for foreign transactions, you may be subject to currency conversion fees, **. Section 5. Customer reviews and feedback. One of the best ways to gauge a bank's trustworthiness is to hear from its customers. Let's take a look at some real-world reviews and feedback on Tide. Positive reviews. Many customers praise Tide for its user-friendly interface, excellent customer support, and competitive pricing, **. Negative reviews. While most reviews are positive, there are some negative experiences reported, such as technical issues or difficulties with certain features, **. Section 6. Is Tide right for you? Ultimately, whether Tide is a trustworthy bank for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Here are some factors to consider. Your business needs. If you're a small business owner looking for a simple and affordable banking solution, Tide could be a good option, **. Your financial goals. If you're looking for a bank that can help you manage your finances efficiently and securely, Tide may be worth considering, **. Your risk tolerance. While Tide has a good reputation, it's important to be aware of the potential risks associated with any bank, **. So, is Tide a trustworthy bank? Based on our research, it appears to be a reliable and convenient option for many people. However, it's essential to do your own due diligence and choose a bank that best suits your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.